हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सभी को नमस्कार, सभी को स्वागत है एक्सेल इन करंट अफेयर्स वीकली स्कोर बूस्टर सेशन में। आज हम देखेंगे जुलाई का पार्ट 4, राइट। दिस इज द वीकली रिवीजन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स। एज यू ऑल नो, एवरी संडे 7 PM you have this weekly session so that you can revise the weekly current affairs. Okay, this session will be very useful for upcoming SSC CHSL, SSC CGL, SBI Clerk Mains and all other upcoming competitive exams, right. So before we start, let me enlighten you with some facts. So Exigence Educator app डाउनलोड कर लीजिए। ओके, यू कैन गेट इट ऑन गूगल प्ले स्टोर। ऐप में क्या क्या फीचर्स आपको मिलेगा? यू कैन रीड द डेली इन डिटेल्ड करंट अफेयर्स फ्रॉम द ऐप। ओके, इन द करंट अफेयर्स सेक्शन you will find the current affairs section here. Okay, you will find the current affairs in details, right. You can attempt the free quiz. Okay, this is the home page, and in this home page you will find the general awareness quiz, which is the free monthly current affairs quiz. Okay, it is free for all. Also you can attempt the premium mocks. You can just purchase premium mocks for rupees 269 only. Okay, 269. In 269 you will get bank, SSC, railways, okay, railways, NTPC, group D, right, SSC, CGL, CHSL, MTS and insurance exams, okay, as well as RBI assistant. All right, so you will get all these mock tests for only rupees 269. Just go and purchase the score booster mocks. Okay, score booster mocks, just use this code score booster, you will get the mocks for rupees 269. Also you can ask your doubts and queries. जो आपका doubts है, queries है, you can just post it on the discussion forum. Discussion forum है ऐप में. Okay, just post your doubt or query in the discussion forum. So all these features are available in the app. Just go and download the Exigence Educator app and start reading the daily current affairs and start attempting the quiz, free quiz. Okay, so let's start the session without further ado. Who has authored a new book titled The India Story, an epic journey of democracy and development? Very, very important. This book is very important, right? So answer क्या हो जाएगा? What is the answer? Yes, times up. Answer will be Bimal Jalan, right? So this book has been released recently. The India Story, very, very important from the exam point of view. Who is Mr. Bimal Jalan? Former RBI governor and nominated member of upper house of the parliament, that is the Rajya Sabha, during 2003 to 2009. Very, very important, right? Now let us have a look at the other options. बाकी options भी check कर लेते हैं. Jhumpal Lahiri's book, Whereabouts, very important. Kareena Kapoor's book, The Pregnancy Bible, very important. Jairam Ramesh's book, The Light of Asia, this is also very important, right? Next one. In which of the following state or union territory India's first grain ATM has been set up? Okay, that will dispense the grains, food grains. So which state or union territory is it? So मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. My answer will be, and mark my words, this session will be very concise, very short, but we will cover maximum facts. Okay, maximum current affairs. So answer is Haryana. You can see this is the grain ATM, right? It can dispense 70 kg grains in 5 minutes only. All right, very, very important, isn't it? And the machine is named Annapurti. This is the name of the machine, right? This can also be asked in the examination. What is the name of this machine? All right, Annapurti. इस machine का नाम है Annapurti. Next one, to increase the life of medical oxygen cylinders threefold, which IIT has developed a first of its kind oxygen rationing device? Very, very important. नाम क्या है इसका? Amlex. So which IIT is it? Very important news from the science and technology section. Yes, my answer will be IIT Ropar. IIT Ropar develops first of its kind oxygen rationing device Amlex. Very important. Okay. Next one, which actress has recently joined hands with Himachal Pradesh government for their initiative Bachcho Ka Sahara, Phone Hamara? Very, very important again from the exam point of view. Bachcho Ka Sahara, Phone Hamara. So what is the answer? What will be the answer? Yes, my answer will be Yami Gautam joins hands with Himachal Pradesh government for a special initiative. Okay, with online learning becoming the new normal, many kids are being robbed of educational opportunities. There is a lack of basic technological facilities in various parts of the country, and in order to bridge the difference, Yami Gautam has joined hands with Himachal Pradesh government in their initiative Bachcho Ka Sahara, Phone Hamara. Alright, very important. Next, Who has won the 2021 British Grand Prix title? Very important. So what will be the answer? Do tally your answer with me. मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. यस, खुद का आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. आंसर विल बी लुई हैमिल्टन और लुइस हैमिल्टन, ब्रिटेन्स मर्सिडीज ड्राइवर. नाउ लेट अस हैव अ लुक एट द अदर ग्रैंड प्री. राइट, Bahrain Grand Prix winner Lewis Hamilton, car Mercedes. Austrian Grand Prix Valtteri Bottas, okay, car Mercedes. Styrian Grand Prix Lewis Hamilton, again Mercedes. Hungarian Grand Prix Lewis Hamilton, Mercedes. British Grand Prix 2020 Lewis Hamilton, Mercedes. 70th anniversary Grand Prix Max Verstappen, Red Bull. Spanish Grand Prix Lewis Hamilton, Mercedes. Belgium Grand Prix Lewis Hamilton, Mercedes. Italian Grand Prix Pierre Gasly, okay, Honda, Alfa Tauri Honda. Tuscan Grand Prix, Russian Grand Prix, Eiffel Grand Prix, Portuguese Grand Prix 2020, Emilia Romagna Grand Prix, Turkish Grand Prix, Bahrain Grand Prix, and so these are all won by Lewis Hamilton. Russian Grand Prix won by Valtteri Bottas, Mercedes, and Rolex Shakir Grand Prix, it has been won by Sergio Perez, right, Mercedes, BWT Mercedes. Abu Dhabi Grand Prix won by Max Verstappen, Red Bull Racing Honda. Next one, Nelson Mandela International Day is observed on which date? Very important. Nelson Mandela, quite important from the exam point of view. So क्या होगा इसका आंसर? मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. So yes, my answer will be 18th of July, and 15th July is World Youth Skills Day. Very important. Next one, International Cricket Council recently inducted Mongolia, Tajikistan and Switzerland as its new members. So the ICC now has how many members? So ये recently news में था. I hope you have already gone through the daily current affairs from our app. So answer will be 106. ICC inducts Mongolia, Tajikistan, Switzerland as new members. And one more thing, you can just download the PDF from our Telegram channel, Exigence Educator. Search करने से मिल जाएगा आपको. Okay. Dash has handed over 15 12.7 M2 NATO stabilized remote control gun to Indian Navy and 10 to Indian Coast Guard. So which entity is it? Yes, answer will be Ordnance Factory Tiruchirappalli. Okay. Next one. So you can see the image. Which bank has launched FEDI, an artificial intelligence powered virtual assistant to help customers with banking related queries anytime? So what is FEDI? An artificial intelligence powered virtual assistant. So yes, my answer will be yes, Federal Bank. Very easy to remember, isn't it? FEDI, Federal Bank. So Federal Bank has launched AI powered virtual assistant. Okay, FEDI. Next one, and FEDI can be accessed via Alexa, Google Assistant and WhatsApp. चलिए next one देखते हैं क्या है. Who is said to become the second recipient of the Olympic laurel when he receives the trophy during the opening ceremony of the Tokyo Games on 23rd of July? क्या होगा इसका आंसर? So my answer will be yes, my answer will be Muhammad Yunus. Very important from the exam point of view. Nobel Peace Prize awardee Professor Muhammad Yunus to receive the Olympic laurel. Next one, which state government will soon introduce the one block one product scheme to encourage and promote small industries in the rural areas? And one more thing, if you have any doubt, okay, during this session, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I will be there to help you out. Okay, comment section में कोई भी doubt है तो पूछ लीजिएगा. Okay, I will be there during this live. Okay, I will be live now. Okay, right. I will also be there during the premiere session, so don't worry. So Haryana to introduce one block one product scheme, Deputy CM Chautala has announced. World Day for International Justice was observed on which date? Okay, so कोई भी सवाल कोई भी आपका डाउट हो सकता है. Okay, so please do ask now during the session. During this session you can ask any doubt or after this session is over. तो चलिए आंसर क्या है देख लेते हैं. 17th of July, World Day of International Justice. Next, Ladakh administration signed an MOU with which state to turn Ladakh into an organic entity by the year 2025. So the target year is also very important, isn't it? And the question itself is of utmost importance. क्या है आंसर? Answer is Sikkim. Ladakh signs MOU with Sikkim to turn UT into organic entity. So I have taken this directly from the AIR news, right? Very, very important. Next one. Delhi government has partnered with which company to provide real-time information about buses to passengers? Very, very important. Real-time information मिलेगा passengers को, okay? Real-time information regarding the buses. So Delhi government has tied up with none other than Google. Delhi government announces partnership with Google. Google Maps. Next, India's first monk fruit cultivation. First, very, very important. Monk fruit cultivation exercise has begun in which state? So सभी लोग मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. क्या है मेरा आंसर? So my answer will be Himachal Pradesh. So have a look here. Have a look here. India's first monk fruit cultivation exercise begins in Himachal Pradesh, Kullu. Okay. So the monk fruit is from China. Very important. ये भी पूछ लेता है कभी कभी. So it is from China. The monk fruit from China. Which bank has recently signed MOU with NABARD to boost ongoing development initiatives linked to priority sector lending, that is PSL, in the state of Maharashtra, right? So PSL में क्या क्या entities है? You need to remember. So answer will be Bank of Maharashtra. Very, very important. Bank of Maharashtra signs MOU with NABARD. Which of the following companies has acquired cyber security firm Risk IQ for $500 million? So Risk IQ has been acquired by which company for $500 million? The amount is also very important. So my answer will be Microsoft. Okay, answer is Microsoft. Microsoft acquires Risk IQ. Next, who has bagged the Golden Eye Award for the best documentary for her film A Night of Knowing Nothing at Cannes Film Festival? Very important. So क्या होगा मेरा आंसर? So the entire list is also very important. I will be providing you the whole list. So answer is Payal Kapadia. 74th Cannes Film Festival. Payal Kapadia bags the Golden Eye Award for the best documentary category for her movie A Night of Knowing Nothing. So this is the entire list. Just go through it. PDF आपको Telegram channel पे मिल जाएगा. Okay. All right. So you can see the list of awards. Best director from France, Leo Carax Annette. Best actress, okay, Renette Renz. Best actor, Celeb Landry Jones, right. Best short film, All the Crows in the World, okay, very important. Next one, recently who has launched the platform Kishan Sarathi? Kisan Sarathi, किसने लॉन्च किया है recently? So it was also in the news, isn't it? So क्या होगा मेरा आंसर? So my answer will be both A and C, that is Narendra Singh Tomar and Ashwini Vaishnav. Okay, 93rd Foundation Day of the ICAR, right, celebrated virtually. Okay, next, India's first pod taxi will operate between which airport and film city? So it is going to be operated between which airport and the film city? First pod taxi. So very important. So what will be the answer? My answer will be Noida. Have a look. India to get its first pod taxi service between Noida airport and film city. When is Science Exploration Day, better known as Moon Day, observed every year? So हर साल हम मनाते हैं. So when is it? When is it? Tell me. So my answer will be, क्या होगा मेरा answer? Yes, time's up. My answer will be 20th July. You can see the picture. On 20th July 1969, Neil Armstrong stepped on the moon's surface. His words after his first step were, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Very important saying by whom? Neil Armstrong. Right? When is International Chess Day celebrated annually? Every year. It is celebrated on which date? International Chess Day is celebrated every year on which date? So क्या होगा मेरा आंसर? मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. माय आंसर विल बी 20th July. 20th July, right? Next, which bank has signed a memorandum of understanding, that is an MOU, with the Indian Navy for salary accounts, for salary accounts? So क्या होगा मेरा आंसर? So my answer will be Kotak Mahindra Bank. Indian Navy signs MOU with Kotak Mahindra Bank for the salary accounts. चलिए next one. Dash has introduced Arogya Rakshak individual health insurance plan. So which is it? Which entity is it? So my answer will be, to tally your answer with me guys, my answer will be LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India. It has launched Arogya Rakshak health insurance plan. Next, which country has unveiled one of the world's biggest floating solar panel firms? One of the world's biggest floating solar panel firms, very important from the exam point of view. World's biggest, right? So time's up. Answer will be Singapore. I hope you have already gone through the news from our app. Singapore unveils one of the world's biggest floating solar farms. Next one, which state will be the first state in the country to issue educational documents using blockchain technology? So using blockchain technology, so this will be the first state to issue educational documents. So very important from the exam point of view. One important fact from the science and technology news, isn't it? So it is none other than Maharashtra. Have a look here. Maharashtra will be the fourth state in the country to issue educational documents using blockchain technology. Maharashtra's Skill Development Minister Nawab Malik said 1 million diploma certificates will be issued using this technology. Which of the following countries will be hosting or will host the Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation Forum 2021 virtually? So which country is it? Very important again, very important again. So क्या होगा मेरा आंसर? मेरे साथ साथ आप अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए. न्यूजीलैंड. आंसर विल बी न्यूजीलैंड, राइट? very important. Next one, Dash is going to set up the first green hydrogen plant in UP, Uttar Pradesh. First, again important. All these facts are very important. First green hydrogen plant in Uttar Pradesh. क्या होगा मेरा आंसर? My answer will be, yes, time's up. Answer will be IOC. That is IOCL, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, to build India's first green hydrogen plant at Mathura refinery in UP, right? Next one, which country has unveiled a high-speed maglev train with a designed top speed of 600 kilometers per hour? So which country is it? Any guess? It was also in the news. Okay, you can just go through the app and read the detailed news from there. Yes, answer will be China. Very good. China unveils world's world's fastest, okay, maglev trains, world's fastest, right? Speed is 600 km per hour. Can you imagine? Right. This is the principle of magnetic levitation, maglev. Okay. So next one, World Brain Day. World Brain Day हम कब observe करते हैं? World Brain Day is observed on which date? So अपना आंसर टैली कर लीजिए मेरे साथ. What will be the answer? Yes, time's almost up. So yes, answer will be 22nd of July, World Brain Day, right? Next one, Ugrow Capital announced the launch of Pratham, a co-lending partnership with MSME Enterprise, and which bank? So which bank is it? So the launch of Pratham, very important keyword in this particular question. Yes, answer will be Bank of Baroda. BOB, that is Bank of Baroda Ugrow Capital, launch co-lending platform Pratham. Okay, it will allow the MSMEs to avail customized lending solutions at a competitive rate of interest. Who has been named All India Football Federation, that is AIFF, Men's Footballer of the Year? Men's Footballer of the Year. Again an important one, very important from the exam point of view. AIFF Men's Footballer of the Year. Yes, answer is Sandesh Jhingan, right? Okay, senior India defender Sandesh Jhingan was on Wednesday named the AIFF Men's Footballer of the Year, while midfielder Suresh Singh Wangjam was picked as the emerging player for the year, for the season of 2020-2021, right? Suresh Singh, very important. Next, what is the name of the first female security guard to be posted as a guard in Mecca during the Hajj pilgrimage? Again important one. again an important question, important fact indeed. So these type of questions are very important from the point of view of SSC, CGL and CHSL exams, right. So answer is Mona, right. Okay, so you can just see here and read the news here. Okay, Mona decided to join the military and the first group of Saudi women soldiers to work in Islam's holiest sites. Next one, recently who has addressed the World University Summit 2021? So किसने एड्रेस किया है recently? So ये बहुत recent news है, आपको पता होना चाहिए. So what is the answer, guys? My answer will be, yes, my answer will be M. Venkaiah Naidu. Vice President of India M. Venkaiah Naidu inaugurates the World University Summit 2021. Okay, so very important, and mark my words, these particular questions are very important from the exam point of view. Please revise this video multiple times. Okay, you will also get the PDF in our on our Telegram channel. Okay, also in the Telegram group, right. Next, which city in Australia is going to host 2032 ओलंपिक एंड पैरालंपिक गेम्स? और टेलीग्राम चैनल का जो लिंक है वो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा. ओके, इन द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. सो आंसर इज ब्रिस्बेन. It was also in the news recently. Australia's Brisbane to host 2032 Summer Olympics. Very, very important. Which district has received the National Silver Scotch Award for Pushti Nirbhar? That is nutrition dependent in English. If you translate it in English, Nirbhar means dependent and Pushti means nutrition. Pushti Nirbhar project. So what is it? Yes, it is the Chachar district received the National Silver Scotch Award. Okay, very, very important. So it is in Assam, right, South Assam, this district. So next one, so you can see here South Assam, right, Chachar district of Barak Valley in South Assam. Next one, which bank has selected Paisalo Digital as the national corporate business correspondent of the bank for financial inclusion? Financial inclusion क्या है? If you know, please mention the definition in the comment section. I want to see. Okay, what is financial inclusion? Definition मुझे comment section में बताइए. I want to see. So answer is State Bank of India. SBI selects Paisalo Digital for engagement as corporate business correspondent. So financial inclusion का मतलब मुझे comment section में जल्दी बताइए. Okay, I am checking everyone's answer. I am going to check everyone's answer. The Stranger in the Mirror. The Stranger in the Mirror. This is the autobiography of which person? So किसका autobiography है ये? The Stranger in the Mirror. Very, very important. Yes. Please tell your answer with me, guys. Answer क्या होगा आपका? Yes. Answer is Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra. So Sonam Kapoor has given the first look of the book. Very, very important. The Stranger in the Mirror. So this is the cover of the book. Okay, it has been recently revealed by Sonam Kapoor. National Broadcasting Day. Very, very important. I am telling you guys. Very, very important from the exam point of view for SSC, bank, state PSC, all competitive exams. National Broadcasting Day, very important. 23rd of July, 23rd of July, National Broadcasting Day. Very, very important, I am telling you. Who has launched the book titled Bank with a Soul, Equitas? That has been authored by Dr. C.K. Garyali. So who has launched this particular book recently? So it was also in the news recently. Okay, so who is it? Yes, the answer is Dubburi Subbarao or D. Subbarao. Former RBI Governor D. Subbarao unveils Dr. C.K. Garyali's book Bank with a Soul, Equitas. Okay, I have added it from the newspaper directly. So this is today's homework for you. Please mention the answer in the comment section. Comments में मुझे answer बताना चाहिए. Okay. Okay, all right. I want to see. In fact, I will check everyone's answer. Okay, मुझे आंसर दिखना चाहिए सबका. ठीक है, कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे आंसर चाहिए. राइट. सो क्वेश्चन क्या है देख लेते हैं. Kalaimamani Shikkil Sri R. Bhaskaran passed away recently. He was associated with which musical instrument? He was associated with which musical instrument? Very, very important. I want everyone's answer in the comment section. ठीक है, मुझे आंसर दिखना चाहिए सबका जो भी ये क्लास कर रहा है. ठीक है, UNESCO recently removed dash from World Heritage List. This is also very important. This was also in the news. VVI, very important. These two questions are very important. I am giving you as homework. मुझे इन दोनों का आंसर कमेंट सेक्शन में चाहिए, ठीक है, राइट. प्लीज डू मेंशन योर आंसर्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. ओके, तो चलिए फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में, राइट. And please do download the app and take the free mocks or paid mocks, whatever you want. Okay, right. And the classes are free on YouTube classes are free for all, right. जो इंग्लिश का पेड बैच चल रहा है, यू कैन ऑल्सो अवेल ऑफ दैट पेड बैचेस, राइट. इंग्लिश पेड बैच चल रहा है अभी, राइट, प्रैक्टिस प्लस बेसिक बैच. एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन अटेंड द free reasoning classes. So Raja sir is presently out of town, okay, on holiday, so that is why he is unable to take the classes. Very soon we will get the classes for RRB PO, RRB clerk, as well as SBI clerk mains, okay, right. Very soon he is preparing the slides, so we will get the classes very soon, don't worry, right. Okay, तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और इंग्लिश क्लास भी बहुत जल्द आपको मिल जाएगा, मेंस के लिए इंग्लिश क्लास, ठीक है. तो चलिए फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में. टिल देन गाइज, प्लीज डू टेक केयर, स्टे एट होम, स्टे सेफ, गॉड ब्लेस यू गाइज एंड टेक केयर. एंड वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए. ओके, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.